So listen to me. If you are a scarf lover, I'm going to be showing you a simple way of tying this one you can see on my screen. So to start with, I'll be working with one small material, which is the lycra material. So you can use anyone, like any type for this one, like Oshuka on my hand. What is the purpose for this? Just to bring out my the back of my head to be looking like I have braid on. So if you have braid on, just grab it with elastic band and use your wig cap to hold it. Okay, so in the absence of my wig cap, this is what I'm using in replacement. Now I have my cutout carton, and this is the lycra material that I want to be using to tie this simple scarf I want to try. So I'm going to pick out the cutout carton. It's not necessary you have your own open up at the middle like this, but this is what I have at the moment, and that is what I'm using, and it's going to give me perfect look for what I want to do. So don't mind that space at the middle. So you see the way I rolled it. It depends on the length of your material. If you have a lengthy material, you can continue rolling till you feel it is okay for you. Now I rolled my tries and I feel it's nice, so I place it on my head. You can see the way I placed it. If you want to place this particular style, you are not going to shift it backward though. It's coming to your forehead. If you really want it to look nice, you're going to push it to your forehead, very close to your eyebrows. Okay, now you're going to come to the back and cross the hand. If you have the opportunity to knot it, you can knot it before you start crossing. You just cross like twice to make it firm on your head. You know it's a lycra material, and it's somehow, I don't know how to qualify that material, but if you know lycra material, you know what I'm talking about. So you're going to pick one like this and roll it up. You're going to roll it up. That your braid that you create, that automatic braid that I created, I'm going to take it round it. If you have your real braid, that is exactly how you're going to do it as well. So you're going to roll it. So what you do to this one part like this, by rolling it and secure the excess underneath, you're going to take the other one too, and you're going to roll it up like that. And that is what this tutorial is all about. Watch and see what I'm talking about. Oh, don't run away and you'll be half baked. So you see I've run the other material, the other length round it, and this is the final look for the head wrap. Isn't this amazing for a beautiful lady? So I'm going to be adding my brooch to it up here like this to add another beauty touch, and this is what it will be giving me, like this. Do you see? You see how stunning it is? It is very simple, and you can use any material, like any material of your choice. Remember, this is a lycra material, it is a scarf material. Okay, so I have this final look, and I decided to shift it to the center, that is sideways. I want to see how it's going to look if it is on my forehead, gone like center. And this is what I have. Perfect look for a beautiful lady as well. So guys, I'll be stopping here for
Let me
today.
know what
Try
you
it.
feel.